Hello everybody, I'm Mrs Sandoval. Welcome to your first clapping game activity. Our song this week is A Sailor Went to Sea. Let's start off with a warm-up. For this warm-up you'll need to copy what I do. I'm sitting down, but that's so you can see me, but it'll probably be better if you stand up so you've got more room and more freedom to move around. So make sure you're standing comfortably, give yourself a bit of a shake out so you're not tense. Make sure your feet are slightly apart, your shoulders back, your arms down by your sides, and give your hands a little shake around to make sure they're relaxed. Okay, so a very important word in this song is the word see. So we're going to warm up using the sound S, and we're going to do that with a breathing exercise. For this exercise, you need to breathe in for 4 counts like this. See, I'm counting on my fingers because I'm breathing in, so I can't say it at the same time. And then you need to breathe out for 8 counts, so that's twice as long, but you need to make a noise as you breathe out. I'll show you when to change to breathing out by bringing my arms down. So try and count in your head, or you could get somebody to help you count, first to 4 and then to 8, like this. That's me counting to 4, my arms are up, and then when I'm going to change to breathing out, I'm going to make a hissing sound, my arms will come down, and I'll count to 8. And try and keep that sound really steady. Okay, let's do it again. Ready? Hang on. Great, let's do it again. One more time. Well done. I hope your sound is really clear. Now we're going to use that important word, see, to be our focus word in the rest of our warm-up. So let me find my starting note. We're going to use the word see to sing a few words on each note, and then move up a few times and then move back down. So we're going to go see, 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 then move up, see, 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 and then up, see, 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 and then we're going to come down, see, 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 back to where we started. So let's do that again. Let me check my note. So make sure your sound is still really clear, and between each group of notes, make sure you take a breath so that you can keep going. Ready? See, 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 see. Fantastic. Let's move on to our song. Great. So the words are written here along the side of the screen. I'll read them first and then we'll talk about them. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Now you'll see in the middle, we've got our picture of a sailor, and then on my side of the screen, we've got one of the spellings of the word see that has one meaning, and on the other side of the sailor, there's another spelling of the word see, and that has a different meaning. And you can find both of these meanings in our song words. So here's an opportunity to practice your phonics. here, nearest me, we've got S-E-A, and that sounds like sea, and that means the ocean or the water, as you can see the picture below. On the other side of the sailor, we've got a different spelling of the word sea, S-E-E, sea, and that means seeing something with your eyes. And the fun part of this song is that in order to understand it, what it means, you've got to work out, are we talking about the sea or are we talking about seeing? Okay, so maybe you'd like to pause the video now and just read through those words aloud yourself. Okay, let's say them together. Are you ready? A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Okay, now I'm going to add the tune. I'm going to count 3 and then I'll sing. You can listen to me first and then I'll sing it again and you can join in. Remember that you can rewind this video as much as you like to practice. That's our starting note. So I'll sing it first and then the second time round you can join in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Okay? Now let's do it together. So I'll count in 3 and then we'll start. I forgot to count. Silly me. Okay. 1, 2, 3. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Okay, now let's move on to the hand movements. Now, there are 2 different kinds of movement in this song. There's a clap, which I'm showing by this first symbol here. And the second one is putting your hands up like this, and I'm going to call that a tap. Now, usually you would do this with another person, perhaps a family member, and they would, as you clap, they would tap your hands like that. I'm sure your mums and dads can show you what I mean. If you're doing it by yourself though, you instead of tapping the air or tapping the other person's hands, you can tap your knees. Now you can't see my knees because of the camera, but if I just do that, you can see what I mean. So the pattern is clap, tap, clap, tap, clap, tap, tap, tap. I'll do that again a bit more slowly. Clap, tap, clap, tap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Or if I was going to do that on my lap, it would be clap, tap, clap, tap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Now this pattern, it repeats. We do it again and again throughout the whole song. Let's try now a little bit quicker. I'll count 3. 1, 2, 3. Clap, tap, clap, tap, clap, tap, tap, tap. And then as soon as you've finished it once, you need to be ready to start it again, like this. 1, 2, 3. Clap, tap, clap, tap, clap, tap, 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 clap, tap, clap, tap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Right then, are you ready to put them both together? First, we'll just try speaking the words and doing the hand movements. And then after that, we'll try singing at the same time. Are you ready? I'll go slowly to start with. 1, 2, 3. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, see, see. But all that he could see, see, see was the bottom of the deep blue sea, sea, sea. How did you find that? Are you ready to add the singing in? If not, don't worry, you can just rewind that bit and do it again until you feel more confident. Or if you're still not feeling sure, just practice the clapping or just practice the singing for now. You can always put the two things together later on. Okay, let me find my starting note. So I'm going to count 3 and then we're going to start on this note. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. A sailor went to sea, 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 to see what he could see, see, see. But all that he could see, see, see was the bottom of the deep blue sea, sea, sea. Well done. I hope you have fun singing and clapping with this song with your family. Let me know how you get on. Bye!